Hey YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Today I have ordered a big box of toys and some food for Chichi, so I'll just be opening these today. I forgot to mention it's from Northern Parrots too, so yes, and please ignore the paper on the box. I just wanted to cover up the address. So as you can see, I have not opened this yet. So I will be showing you everything I've bought. Let's just get right on to the video. Can you come say hello? Chichi says hi. Wow. I'm sorry, Chichi's just biting my phone. Oh, let me just take these two things away because I'm not quite sure what it says. So here we go. So to start, we have a beautiful Northern Parrots book catalogue thing, and I just love looking through them and seeing what cool stuff they have and what I'd like to buy. Oh gosh, Chichi, please stop chewing my phone. Wanna go by there and have a look? No? You sit on my shoulder? Okay. Ooh, lots of paper. Wow. Okay, I'm just going to get these open, then I will show you. Wow, what is it? I think Chichi's a bit unsure. Oh wow. So first off, we have this thing that I have wanted for ages for Chichi, and I just really like it. It's like a foraging cube thing, and I just love it. And then next we have this little foot toy, and I just thought it was really cute, and I know Chichi would love it too. And this as well, it's just a little extra. I just thought it was really adorable. So yes, I am overall happy at the moment, so I'll see what else is in the box. What is it, Chichi? Yes. Wow. What do you think? Oh, it's sliding a little bit. So next we have this thing that I've also wanted for a while because it just looks amazing. So it's also like another little foraging cube. It's just got like a nice wood and cracks to hide treats in, and I think it's just beautiful. I've just unraveled this bag and I forgot that I ordered a bird kebab. I have been looking for one of these for ages now because Live Laugh Birds, or Ellen Birds, her new username is, has these for a bird and she highly recommends them, and I've wanted one for ages but they've all been too expensive, and I found one that is the perfect price, and I can't wait to try it. And I also bought another bag of frozen food because you can never have too much of this. So this is everything I've bought, and this has all come to £40 in UK money. I'm not sure what it's actually called, but in pounds, and I'm happy with my purchase and everything looks so amazing. I have just bought Chichi all of this, and she's over there playing with her old toy that she's had for like ever. Oof. I just wanted to say also I did pull out the rope because I don't find myself liking rope on toys very much, and that's just because Chichi, she likes to chew stuff and I don't want anything getting stuck in her crop, so I think it's just safer if I just remove it for giving it to her, but yeah. So here is a view of Chichi's new improved little cage. So she just still has her calcium block, her perches, she has the bird kebab here, the Java thing over by there. Hello. And the stackers by there. That cool new toy over there. I feel like I'm going to add something by here though, because it looks a bit empty down at the bottom. But I think Chichi likes it so far. Ooh. What is it? I would also like to give you a quick update that I have rehomed my cat Oreo photo by here, and he will be missed very much. It just wasn't working out in my family. He was a lovely cat, but he was rehomed around 2 weeks ago now, a bit over maybe, and we're all still really sad from that. So he will forever be missed, and I just hope he's happy in his new home. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and get inspiration for some toys that you will order next. And I highly recommend Northern Parrots too. They are just an amazing website that sell loads of parrot stuff, including toys, cages, and anything you can imagine. And it's just amazing. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.